let's get started today. So welcome everyone that is here and welcome to everyone that is watching us on our JAFRA Facebook page. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. My name is Monica Barrera and I'm the Communications Coordinator. So today we are going to talk a little bit about the importance of holiday ready skin. So are you ready, Elizabeth?
Yes, I'm ready. We have a lot of good information to prepare all of our JAFRA family for the holidays that are coming really soon.
All right. So as we know, this holiday season, we tend to increase our makeup use. And I can say, yes, I'm guilty for that, but I love to shine. I love to have my makeup on. But for that, we need to get our skin prepped. So the holidays bring plenty of reasons to dress up. That means wearing more makeup for longer hours, which can also clog our pores and contribute to irritation. But today we're going to share some products that can help you have that prep skin. So what do we have, Elizabeth?
We also have colder weather. What does this mean? As temperatures drop, so does our skin's natural moisture. Cold air, wind, and indoor heating can strip the skin of hydration, leading to dryness, flakiness, and irritation. We're going to also share some products that could help you tackle all of these temperature issues.
And also another thing that can happen during holidays is increased stress. And while they're joyful, can be stressful time with busy schedules, gatherings, and late nights. So this added stress can also trigger breakouts, dullness, and dryness to our skin.
So we're going to share with you some holiday skincare tips for increased makeup use. Our first product is the JAFRA Skin Facial Cleansing Balm. Anyone in the chat, if you want to share with us who has already used this product, we would like to know. And this product is from sunflower and avocado oils that are emollient oils that help moisturize your skin. So this is great for those who are increasing their makeup during this season. Also, we have the Novo Marine Bioalgae Hydrogel Face Cleanser with sodium hyaluronate, and it's a water-loving polysaccharide that intensely moisturizes while aiding in moisture retention for softer feeling skin.
And I'm using the JAFRA Skin Facial Cleansing Balm. I discovered the double cleanse. So JAFRA fans, have you guys tried the double cleanse? These two are a great combo to do that routine. And we also have more holiday skincare tips for colder weather. So one of our favorite JAFRA products here is the JAFRA Royal Defied Antioxidant Face Oil. One of the ingredients that this product has is squalene, which provides deep hydration and nourishment to skin while also offering anti-aging and smoothing benefits, making it valuable to skincare ingredients. So this face oil, you can use it after your moisturizer or before, depending how your skin, you want to do that routine. It's a great addition for your skincare regimen. And we also have another moisturizer that you can pair well for these colder weather, which is the JAFRA Royal Revitalized Longevity Creme. And one of the key ingredients that this product has is honey, and is an humectant that provides the meaning it can help to hydrate the skin and keep looking it plump and youthful.
Also, we have holiday skincare tips for increased stress. First of all, we have our JAFRA Royal Clear Start Blemish Spot Treatment with wisabolol that is an ultra pure biotech extract originally sourced from chamomile that intensely soothes and comforts and hydrates. Also, we have the JAFRA Royal Revitalized Extra Hydration Serum with sea kelp that helps lock in moisture and soften skin.
Another tip that we want to give you guys today is toning. So we have two in JAFRA. One is the JAFRA Royal Revitalized Toning Essence, which is for all skincare types. And we have our JAFRA Royal Clear Smart Clear Complexion Toner, which this one is more recommended for that people that has oily and acne prone skin, which I can raise my hand because I suffer with that. And this is a great toner that I have added to my skincare routine. So why use toner? It removes leftovers impurities, refreshes, and prepare your skin for serums. And how do we use it? We use it in the morning and at night. And what you can do is just get a little cotton pad, put a little bit of your toner, and gently wipe off across your face, avoiding the eye area. And I really, enjoy and recommend using this toner if you are like me, that you have that acne prone or oily skin. Maybe today I'm not wearing makeup, you guys, because we were going to talk about skincare. And one of my favorite products is coming up that Elizabeth is going to share about.
Thank you, Moni. We're going to talk about holiday skincare tips focusing on masks, exfoliation, and eye creams. Moni's favorite. First of all, we have our JAFRA BioLab Resurfing Mask with 5% BHA plus AHA's complex. How to use it? We use it one per week, preferably at night. Apply to clear, dry skin, and you can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Also, we have the Gold Dynamics Lifting Eye Cream. How to use it? We use it during the morning and night. We can apply it at even thin layer around the eye in the eye area. Sorry, my my lamp fell down. Some technical issues. In a light pressing motion. So this is great because it helps prepare our skin. Right, Moni?
That's right. And something that I can share with our JAFRA fans today about the JAFRA BioLab Resurfacing Mask is that's my date night Sunday routine. Every Sunday I have my 10 to 15 minutes with this product. I've been using it for over 3 months now, and I feel more confident now wearing makeup. As you guys can see, I'm on camera today with no foundation, but that's because of the benefits and everything that this mask has helped my skin. My skin had a lot of texture and uneven tone. And as I keep using it constantly once a week, I can notice that my skin feels smoother and my texture has changed a lot. So this product is going to reveal a refined, luminous look with this peeling effect mask. It's also made with concentrated levels of beta and alpha hydroxy acids that provides a gentle exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture. And our Gold Dynamic Lifting Night is also one that I've been using. And this one is going to restore hydration. So this is one of the products that we can recommend for this weather, for this holiday season, because the ingredient that it has is going to restore the hydration while minimizing the appearance of puffiness and dark circles.
Also, we're going to share with you the importance of prep for long-lasting makeup. This is a really, really important step in your routine because skincare is a foundation for great holiday makeup looks. Looking forward to it. So a smooth, hydrated face helps makeup stay flawless longer, making Jafra Defy regimen an essential step before getting all your glam looks. And we have some comments in the chat, Moni. Silvia Mores is telling us that she loves the RJ toner in the morning. Thank you for sharing that, Silvia. And she also has used some of the products we have mentioned before, as well as Gail Bozeri. Thank you so much for sharing your comments on the chat. We love to hear from you. So keep sharing with us, keep telling us your comments, and we love to read them. Right, Moni?
We sure do. We like to connect with our JAFRA friends, which are JAFRA consultants and leaders. So thank you so much for sharing, your experience with the product. And, this is the season also for self-care. Skincare is a gift to ourselves and a way to take a moment to unwind. I'm telling you guys, on Sunday, my family, my kids, they already know it's my time to pamper myself, to put that face mask on. So, this season, also remind yourself self-care. It's important. And how can we do it? We can treat ourselves to a spa moment at home. We have a lot of JAFRA products that can help you with that experience. You know, we have exfoliants, so check out our page. And we also encourage to give yourself a gift of gray skin this season. So don't forget, you know, if you're gonna wear those beautiful dresses, but also wear beautiful skincare. And glow into the holidays with self-care bliss. What do you think, Elizabeth?
I think these tips are great because often we forget that also skincare is a great gift. It's a time for ourselves, and we need to have great skin in order to be also really glamorous for all of this season, for all of these holiday parties we're looking forward to attend. So definitely this is a great gift for yourself and all of your loved ones.
Thank you. And we also have in our Facebook JAFRA page, we have Margarita saying good morning. So we love to read your comments, you guys. So anything that you guys want to share with us, put them in the chat. And I want to say thank you for connecting with us today for these short product knowledge that we wanted to share with you for this holiday season. And thank you so much, Elizabeth, for connecting with us.
Thank you so much, Moni, for inviting me. And thank you so much to all for connecting in this session. Have a good day.